The Synergex Resource Center community is the place to connect with your Synergex partners and fellow Synergy DBL developers. In the Answers section, you can ask for help with Synergy development or other related topics. Here you'll see the most recent questions submitted by other developers. To get help with your topic, search for it in the search bar. If you can't find your topic in the search results, click Continue to Post, and you'll be able to post your question to the community. Fill in the title and add a description of your question below it. Next, assign a topic category from the drop-down to help others find your questions. Then click Post. And just like that, you've posted your question to the community. While we wait for someone to answer our question, let's head back to the community home. You can help your fellow Synergy developers by posting answers or commenting on their questions as well. To show your support for someone's answer, click the thumbs up icon below their post. If you want to answer the question, mention another issue related to the question, or even thank someone for a response, you can add a comment to the post. Let's head back to the question we posted and see if we've gotten a response. Looks like someone has posted an answer. Let's take a look. After we've received an answer that solves our issue, we can mark the best answer so others will know the question has been answered. If you want to receive notifications when others interact with your post and community, click on Settings up at the top to select your desired email frequency and ensure you're notified of new activity on posts that you care about. Now you're ready to post questions or provide answers in community. Join us in the Synergex Resource Center now by using the link in the description of this video, or learn how to share your ideas with Synergex by clicking on this video.